Kami nagbabalik po dito sa Kaitan in Action. Ate Pia, Kuya Alan, yes or no?
Kuya Alan, Ate Pia, meron po ba tayong batas na nagmamandato ng safety and health sa trabaho? Yes or no?
Yes. So mula sa ating konstitusyon, sa labor code, at meron po tayong tinatawag ng batas na ini-ensure or strengthen yung compliance sa occupational safety at health standards ng empleyado. Di ba yung mga napapanood yung mga historical documentaries ng mga industrial age? Parang walang choice yung mga workers. Pag sinabing 12 hours kayo magtrabaho, 12 hours. Pag sinabing nasa minahan, eto nakakalason, problema nyo yan. But we've gone so far to really protect the health and the safety ng ating mga empleyado.
Maraming salamat.
Salamat po.
Our next question.
Ate Pia, Kuya Alan, buti pala meron tayong batas para sa physical health. Limited po ba yan para sa physical safety land or meron din po sa mental health? Yes or no?
Yes, meron. Meron tayong batas on mental health. It's called the Mental Health Act. Kakapasa lang nito a few years ago because nga of the awareness on mental health being as important as physical health. Pati ang mga companies required sila to educate themselves and their employees about mental health. Our biggest problem is the lack also of mental health professionals. So even if imandato yan, which is a good thing, hindi ganun kadali maghanap, right? Kasi kulang na kulang. Yung ating mga state universities, ini-encourage natin sila na mag-open up sila ng more courses for the entire health professions. Para gumaling ang batas na yan, we also have to invest in the people na magbibigay sa atin ng mental health services.
Maraming salamat. Next question.
Kuya Alan, Ate Pia, paano ho kung may aksidente na nangyari na work-related? May habol po ba yung empleyado dito? Yes or no?
Yes. Now, sinong pwede mong habulin? You go against your employer. Kung magkasundo kayo, no problem. Pero kung halimbawa sabihin nila, hindi, nauntog ka lang eh. Yung 2 araw mo absent, ibabawas ko sa'yo. Pwede mong i-demanda for damages so you can go beyond. Ito ay Employees Compensation Fund na pupunta ka sa SSS or GSIS. Ang pro doon ay mabilis. Ang con doon is that nakalista na kasi doon eh. Kung ito mangyari sa'yo, ito yung presyo. Pag ito.
Thank you.
Ate Pia, Kuya Alan, ito po ay tanong ng mga construction worker. Tama po ba na ibawas sa sahod nila yung mga protective gear na ini-issue sa kanila para makapagtrabaho sila ng ligtas? Yes or no?
No. Kasi sabi ng ating batas, kailangan na yung employer or yung contractor ay nagbibigay for free, nakalagay free of charge ng safety protective gear. And to be clear, ito ay kahit anong mga equipment that are needed for the eyes, for the face, for the hands, for the feet, including mga lifelines, safety belts, harness, respirators, masks, protective shields, whenever necessary by reason of the hazardous work process or environment. So yung work process mismo, delikado yun sa'yo, kailangan yan ay binibigay ng libre ng employer or contractor.
Maraming salamat. Our last question.
Kuya Alan, Ate Pia, pwede po bang tanggihan ng isang trabaho pag unsafe siya or di ligtas? Yes or no?
Yes. Except kung yung trabaho talagang pinili mo, ay delikado talaga. Ha? Let's say, bumbero ka. So, syempre, pupunta ka talaga sa sunog. But ang sinasabi ng batas, Section 6 of Republic Act 11058, workers' right to refuse unsafe work. The worker has the right of refusal to work without threat or reprisal from the employer if it, as determined by the DOLE, an imminent danger situation exists in the workplace that may result in illness, injury, or death, and corrective actions to eliminate the danger have not been undertaken by the employer. May konting debate dito, Kuya Boy, kasi as determined by DOLE. So may mga example kami, di ba? Yung lumindol, sinabi na lahat lumabas, luma na building mo, biglang wala pang 10 minutes, sinabi pumasok ka na ulit. Kung hindi, tatanggalin kita. Alam nga naman pumunta ka pa ng dole. Diba? So, for me, the test here is reasonable. Diba? O kaya, halimbawa, sabi, ang daming nagka-TB. So, pumunta yung DOH doon, pinauwi muna kayo lahat. Hindi pa clinic-clear ng DOH, hindi pa sinasabi, yung employer niya, bumalik na kayo. But again, it's reasonable. Pag sinabi, halimbawa, hindi naman nakakahawa yung sakit na yan, di ba? Tapos ikaw yung ayaw pumasok, ibang usapan na yon kasi hindi tunay yung threat. So, but the answer is, yes, pag unsafe, di ba, yung work, you have a right to refuse.
Maraming salamat. Marami na naman tayong natutunan. Sa ating pagbabalik, marami naman tayong mapapanalunan. Alan Pia Pic po sa pagbabalik ng...